Our assignment today is to create a PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft's PowerPoint program. And of all the programs in the Microsoft Office suite, this is probably the one that is the most intuitive. It just seems to work the way that people tend to think. Well, before we actually start working with PowerPoint, we want to make sure that we connect to our file locker. So if you don't see Finder running, you want to make sure that you click on the little Finder icon just to make sure that Finder is up and running. So I'm going to click on Go from Finder and drag down to Network. And if you're in the lab, you should see a list of some of the file lockers that it's usually about the last 6 or 7 file lockers that people have accessed. Now, if your file locker isn't there, you can always click on All, then find your file locker. And I'm going to double click, and it's telling us that we're going to connect as a guest. Well, actually, I'm going to say guest here and tell it to connect. And if successful, it's going to basically bring this particular file locker up to my desktop. And for some reason, there it is. It finally got a hold of it. Now, if you're on the wireless setup, you would have to go click and drag down to connect to server and actually type in the name of your file locker at that point in time. So there are multiple ways of getting contact and getting connected to your file locker.